Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video today, I just want to show you how to collect your investment income from this platform called Mtbtc. So as you can see here, I have 1.34 here. So if you want to collect your investment income from this platform, this is what you will do. You will click on income right here. You will click on income right under here. So when you click on income, one thing you have to do is that you have to collect your your income fast. You have to collect it fast. I'm supposed to collect about 1.02. Yes, 1.02. But let me check how much will remain right now. Let me see how much that will remain, because if I'm too late to collect it, some people will snatch part of it from you. So this is it. As you can see, people here, all these ones you are seeing down here, so people are collecting treasure from some people that haven't received their collection. So this is how you will do. All you need to do is to click on one click collection right here. This one click collection here. So click on it and let me see how much I'm going to receive. As you can see, they have already collected about 0.01 from my own collection, or 0.02, like that. So right now, as you can see, I collect only 0.99 instead of collecting like 0.06. I only collect 0.99. So you too, if I check my distance, you can see that it has increased to 2.33. So you too, instead of just leaving it like that, you can still hunt for some other people's own. You can still hunt for some other people own. As you can see, I have 2.33 here. So let me hunt for other people. Let's see how much I'm going to make from here. If the time has not passed, I can still collect about almost 0.15 USDT if the time has not passed. So let me check. I think the time has already exhausted here. I think the time has already exhausted. So what we will do next is to just go to the home page. Okay, let's check. This is it here. Let's go for the treasure unit here. So it's still there. As you can see, this is it. This is the treasure unit here. I want to use the one here before, but that one is, I've already collected. That one is for the collection. So you click on treasure unit here. Treasure unit. Click on treasure unit. Now click on all these Bitcoin and LTC, which is Litecoin. Click on it. This one give me 0.03. Let me click on Litecoin. This one give me 0.04. Keep on collecting until you exhaust this thing here. Keep on collecting 0.04, 0.03. So I have exhausted everything here. Remember, I have only 2.33 on my wallet. So let's see how much we add up to that for now. As you can see, it's now 2.47. 2.47. Almost 14. 0.14 now. So let me try another option again. You can still collect some other things here on the roulette. Click on roulette to try your luck here. So click on it. This one you might not get anything sometimes. So as you can see, I got 0.1. So let me keep on throwing. Some people are getting 100. So let me keep on rolling. I get one free draw. So let me try again until I used everything finished. So I lose. As I lose right now, let me go back and check it again. because I don't want to roll it again like that. Let me check. I lose again. I lose it again. Let me keep on trying. Try. I get one free draw. Try it again. I get 0.1 again. So I've already exhausted everything, finished right here now. As you can see, nothing today. There are 0 free opportunities. So I have used everything up right now. So let me now go back to my wallet and see how much I'm going to make it. As you can see, I now have 2.67. 2.67. I even make more than what I am supposed to make on my investment there on this platform. On my investment, on $50 investment, you'll be making 1.06 on this platform. So as you can see already, I even make more than that. I make more than that right now. So now let me make a withdrawal and let's see if I will actually receive this money. But before I make this withdrawal, as you always know, I will show you everything with proof. Let me show you my balance first, the wallet I'm withdrawing to. Let me show you my balance so that you can see how much that is there, so that you can know if this money is coming from this platform or not, because this platform don't have history of your withdrawal. So let me check. So this is my balance, and this is the I received money last to this wallet yesterday, only yesterday. As you can see, this 6.42, I received it from TVC Digital. You can also check the channel, my YouTube channel. You can check through my videos. You will see more about the platform where I receive it from. Why this 1.41? I receive it from this platform, this particular platform I'm making video about. So as you can see, I received money last yesterday. So let me make this withdrawal and let's see if I'm going to actually receive the money or not. Now click on withdraw. Okay, I have my wallet address here already. As you can see, I bind 2 wallet address here, but let me withdraw to that, the one I show you right now. So input the amount you want to withdraw, 2.67. Now input your withdrawal password and click on submit. So I have input my withdrawal password. Okay, right now they are taking handling fee on this platform. Right now, if you look down here, before they are not taking handling fee, minimum withdrawal is now $2 also from this platform. Minimum withdrawal, I think they have changed everything right now. They have changed everything. As you can see, handling fee 1 USDT. That means I'm going to receive 1.67 instead. 1.67. If you look down here, you will see that minimum withdrawal is now $2. $2. You can see 2 USDT. So right now, let me make the withdrawal and let's see. Now click on submit. You will have, okay, I haven't selected the one I want to withdraw from. I'm coming for that. They are telling you have withdrawn 0 times today, and each withdrawal will be charged a processing fee of $1 of 1 USDT. Are you sure you want to withdraw? So they are telling you maybe you should wait till, or maybe some other income can still come into your wallet before you should withdraw, or you want to go on and make your withdrawal right now. So let me make my withdrawal. I want to make my withdrawal. Let me make my withdrawal. So click on confirm. So as you can see, submitted successfully. So if you look up here, you will see that they have already deducted the money. So let me go to my Trust wallet and keep on refreshing from there to see if the money will come in. As you can see, this is the money 1.67. You can see the notification. This is it here. You can now see the history. So it take less than 5 seconds, or let me say 10 seconds. You will receive your money. So as you can see, I received 1.67, and that is it, guys. If you are still interested on this platform, you can check the description of this video. You see the registration link there, and you also see my WhatsApp link. You can join me on my WhatsApp or on my Telegram. I drop updates regularly there every single day. So guys, as you can see, thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button, and if this is your first time on this channel, hit that subscribing button so that you will not be missing any of my updates. On this channel, I share videos on different ways to make money online. So guys, thank you for watching, and from also on the description of this video, you will see the link to the first video where I talk about this platform, everything about this platform. If you want to invest on this platform, everything, where I talk everything on the video. So try to check it out. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.